Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, I am going to solve reasoning and aptitude. That means reasoning ability and technical ability question asked in Infosys examination today, slot 1. Okay, so slot 1 exam happened today, and the date is 26th of 26/12/2021. That means today's date. So in this video, I will discuss the question which was asked from reasoning ability and technical ability. Also, I'll be doing an analysis of how difficult each round sections were, like technical ability, reasoning ability, puzzles, and your coding, I mean pseudocode, and your verbal ability. So you can see, so we are going to discuss a lot more questions for today. So let us start with the question number 1. So Sam and Mats are flatmates whose salaries together amounts to rupees 10,000. So Sam and Matt are basically flatmates are there, and their salaries together is 10,000 rupees. Okay, now Sam is spending 95% of his salary and Matt is spending 25% of his salary. If their savings are same, then what is the Sam salary? Now Sam's salary, I will assume X, then obviously Matt's salary will become 10,000 minus X. See, this is similar. So suppose same Sam salary, I will assume 2,000, then Matt's salary will become 10,000 minus 2,000, that is nothing but 8,000 rupees, right? So in the similar fashion, I have assumed, so Sam's salary is X, then Matt's salary will become 10,000 minus X. Okay, now, so Sam spends 95% of his salary. So if you will spend 95% of his salary, then you will be left with only 5%. Agreed? So the saving of Sam will become only 5%. Okay, so he was getting X rupees salary and 95% if he spent, so 5% will be remaining with him. And Matt is spending 25%. So how much Matt will be left with? Obviously 75%, because 25% he is spending. And now both of their saving is same. So that is the reason I have equated the equation here. So 100 and 100 will get cancelled. 5 will get, 5 will divide this by 15 times. So X will be equal to 15 into multiplication inside the bracket. So 15 into 10,000 minus 15x. So 15x and x will become 16x, will become equal to 15 into 10,000. Agreed? So x, okay, is 10,000. So x will become equal to 15 into 10,000 divided by 16. Now, so if this also been 16, you would have got 10,000. But here it is 15. So it will become what? 9,375, I guess. So 9,375, option 1. So if you try to divide, you will be getting 9,375. Okay, so let me also use the calculator and verify it for you. Okay, so option A should be the correct answer. So yes, where is the calculator in my mobile? So here is the calculator. Okay, and now 15 and how many zeros? 4 zeros and divided by 16. So it will become 9,375. Option A will become the correct answer for this particular question. Okay, I hope this will be clear to you. Now question number 2 is a number series question. Okay, so question number 1 was the question from you can say percentage. Okay, now question number 2 from number series. So we have 105, we have 315, we have 693, we have 1287, we have 2145, and then we have next. Okay, now, so friends, here we need to take the difference. So see, for one number series question, there might be one or multiple solutions, multiple logics. Okay, so I am taking the difference here, 210, and then here it will be 378, and this difference if we'll take 594, and then this difference if we'll take 858. Next difference, so 8, 716, and 3 minus 2 is 1, and then 14 minus 8 is 6, so it will be 216, and then 8 minus 4 is 4, 15 minus 9 is 6, 7 minus 5 is 2. Then if we'll take the difference 48, and if we'll take the difference 48. So this is a 3-layer difference, and here you can say, you can see basically, so 48 is nothing but the difference, right? Okay, so now 264 plus 48 will be 312. Again, this difference, so 8 plus 2 is 10, 7, 11, 1170. And now here it will be what? So 5, 7, 4, 11, 213 and 213. So 3315, option D will become the correct answer. So this is a number series question. So we started with the difference because here the layer wise difference were there. So question number 1 and question number 2 is clear. So friends, I'm again saying you, because we are going to do a lot of videos on Infosys. So if you have not subscribed and click on bell icon, then please do it right now, because we put a lot of efforts, friends. See, we get the questions, we type it, we solve it, we record the videos. And this video I am doing it for the second time, because first time when I recorded, somehow the sound was not recorded. Okay, so it takes a lot of effort in making one video. So please do support. So kindly share and subscribe. Now this is a question from pipe and cisterns. Okay, so a tank has an inlet and an outlet pipe, A and B. So basically what they're telling, there is a tank is there. So it has a pipe inlet which is filling, and outlet means which is removing the water. Okay, so two pipes are there, pipe A and pipe B. Then you want to determine time taken to empty the tank if both A and B are made functional at same time. So both A and B are functioning at the same time. Which of the given statement would be sufficient in the given context? So statement 1, inlet A can fill the tank in 20 minutes, outlet B can empty the tank in 5 minutes. So friends, we need both the statement, because they're clearly mentioning if both A and B are made functional at the same time. Now we have to see if using both the pipe, we are able to find out that in how much of the time the tank will get empty. Okay, now fine. So inlet A, so pipe A. So friends, in the basic videos, if you'll see time and work and pipe and systems, I have told all those basic concepts. So inlet A is taking 20 minutes. So it's doing a positive work, okay, of filling the tank. And inlet B is removing the water and taking 5 minutes. Okay, now, so let us take the LCM. LCM will be 20, and that will become capacity of our tank. Now 21 time, this will become our efficiency. That means pipe A can fill 1 liter of water in 1 minute. And 5 4 ja, so 20 by 5 will be 4. That means pipe B will be able to remove 4 liter of water in 1 minute. Now total capacity is 20. P will fill 1 liter, whereas A will fill 1 liter, whereas B will remove 4 liter. So 20 by minus 3, so it will be 6.67 basically. Minus represent means the tank water will get removed. So it will both the if both the inlet and outlet are made functional at the same time, then in 6.67 minutes the tank will be completely emptied. Okay, so using both of the statement, you will be able to answer. So both statements together are sufficient to answer, but neither statement alone is sufficient. So the statements individual will not be sufficient, because they are clearly telling in the question that if both A and B are made functional at the same time. Then question number 4. So it's a question from the sitting arrangement, a very simple question. So three students A, B, C are sitting on a bench. So a bench is something like that, 3. If the following is given, then which of the option depicts the correct sitting arrangement of the student? If A is not sitting at the extreme left, so left will be this and our right will be this. So if A is not sitting at the extreme left, so A will not sit here, and C is not sitting at the extreme right, so C will not sit here. Okay, this is clear. Now, so let us check for the option. So A is sitting at the left, gone. C is sitting at the right, gone. So now we have only two options. Out of that, one will be correct. B always sits to the right of A. So definitely A should sit here and then only B. Then only A right will be B. Our right side will be what? This. So A right will be B. Now, so you see a arrangement where B comes after A. So B comes after A. So that means definitely here it is wrong, because B is coming before A. So option B will become the correct answer. So C, A, B. So B is sits right to A, and C should not sit at the right extreme end. Okay, correct. C is sitting at the left extreme end, and A is not sitting at the extreme left. So A is sitting in the middle. So option B will be the correct answer. So we have used option and then we have solved it. Very good. Now question number 5. Again, I'm telling you, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Otherwise, I'm not going to leave you. Okay, now so a box contains definitely 60 cameras. Okay, now so a box containing 60 cameras has cameras that works fine, as well as some that are faulty. So out of 60 camera, so some cameras are fine and some are definitely faulty. Okay, now which of the following statement is sufficient to determine the number of cameras that are working fine? So there are two statements has been given. The first statement, okay, so here there is a missing statement is arrival, right? So the number of faulty cameras, the number of faulty cameras are less than 5. Okay, are less than, sorry, 25. So fortunately, I remember this, but I had missed this statement. Okay, no problem. So the probability of picking a faulty camera is 1 by 3. Now, so we know probability will be equal to NE by NS, where NS will be total outcome. So total outcome means total is given, total number of cameras is 60. And NE will be, see, suppose you are going to pick a faulty camera. So NE will be the total number of faulty one. So total number of faulty cameras will become X. Okay, now their probability is given basically 1 by 3. So here we will be able to get the faulty camera. So X will be nothing but equal to 20, right? See, X is what here? So NE is what your favorable event. That means faulty cameras. Now, because they have given the probability of picking a faulty camera is 1 by 3. So faulty camera we got. So what will be the fine cameras, the working cameras? So fine cameras will be totally 60 minus the faulty one, so 40. So total number of fine cameras will become 40. So we will be able to determine from the statement 1. Now statement 2, the number of faulty cameras are less than 25. See, 25 means it can be 23, it can be 24, it can be 22, it can be 21, it can be 20, it can be 19, it can be anything. So from statement 2 alone, we cannot say. So my answer will be statement 1 alone is sufficient, but statement 2 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Okay, so you will be easily able to get that. Okay, next is a question from order and ranking. So next is a question from order and ranking. Friends, so you will be able to see the questions are very, very simple. You do not have to worry at all. So in a row of 60 people during a vaccination, Ron is 46 from the left end of the row. So Ron is basically, so this will be my left hand and this will be my right hand. Okay. So now, so Ron is 46 from the left. So Ron is 46 from the left. Okay. In the same row, Hana is 28th from the right end. See, Hana is 28th from the right end. Now, Hana will be here, or Hana will be here, or Hana will be here. We do not know. So for solving this kind of questions, what we do, we calculate the Hana position from left. Hana position from right is 28th. So Hana position from left will be total plus 1 minus Hana position from left. Sorry, right. So 60 plus 1, Hana position from right is 20. So it will become 41st position. Okay. Now, so from the left, Hana will be nothing but here I will put 41st or whatever 48th. Okay. Now, so they're asking, so from the given scenario, determine the number of people sitting between Ron and Hana. So many people, what they will do, they will directly subtract this and they will say 5, which is wrong. See, if I ask you in between 2 and 5, how many numbers will be there? You cannot say 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, because in between 2 and 5, there will be only two numbers, 3 and 4. So how we have to answer 5 minus 2 minus 1. So in between 46 and 41, how many people will be sitting? So 46 minus 41 minus 1. So 46 minus 42 will be nothing but 4th. So there will be total 4 people will be sitting in between Hana and what is that? Hana and Ron. Okay. Now, then question number 7, and it's a question on time, speed, and distance. You can also say, for be more specific, problems on trains. Okay, so problems on trains. Now, so a train takes about 400 seconds. So time they have given 400 seconds to completely cross the two stations, station 1 and station 2. Okay, and given the stations are 7.8 kilometer apart. So fine. And if the length of the train is nothing but 200 meter. So friends, in this kind of question, the first thing what we do is we make the unit same. Okay, see, the distance of the stations is given 7.8 kilometer. So we will convert into meter. So in 1 kilometer, 1000 meter. See why we are converting, because time we have in seconds and length of the train we have in meters. So it will become 7800 meter. Okay, now, so you can see the distance between the stations is nothing but 7800 meter. Then we will use distance will be equal to speed into time. So distance is nothing but your length of the stations is 7800 plus 200 is nothing but the length of the train. Speed we have to calculate, time is 400 seconds. So 8000 will be equal to speed into 400. Okay, now, so speed will be 8000 divided by 400. So it will be nothing but 20. So speed in kilometer per hour will be nothing but 18 by 5. See, when we have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, then we multiply by 18 by 5. This we already knows. So 5 4 ja and 18 into 7 will be 4 will be 72 kilometer per hour. So option A will be the correct answer. Okay, so I will discuss with you after solving all this question. So what is the difficulty level according to you? Now, so friends, there was one question for which options were wrong, and you will be getting so wrong options, and you will be getting bonus marks for this, and you will be getting bonus marks for this. So Coil purchased a microwave for 6,000 rupees. So friends, you must be knowing about successive discount and successive increment. Okay, so Coil purchased a microwave for 6,000 rupees, and Coil sold it for to her friend at 5% loss. So 5% loss means nothing but 95 by 100. Okay, see, 5% loss means Coel has sent only at the 95% of the price. Okay, see, this you can calculate individually or in one line only, you will be able to solve. Now, Tim is selling this microwave at 10% profit. So 110 by 100. Okay, 10% profit means 110 by 100. Okay, now see, if there is any kind of profit, add it to 100, divide by 100. If there is any kind of loss, subtract from 100 and divide by 100. Then Billy also sold it to Ron at 10% profit. So again 110 by 100. Okay, and this is what Ron is going to pay. So this I have done in only one line. Now 2 zeros, 2 0 cancel, 1 0 1 0 cancel, 1 0 1 0 cancel. So 6 into 95 into 11 into 110. If you multiply, you will be getting 6897, and 10 is actually in the denominator. Okay, so it will become 6897. This you can also write 6900, but we do not have any kind of options such that. So you will have to give this option and 6900, and definitely friends, this is a question where you will be getting the bonus marks. So friends, we have solved here the aptitude and the reasoning problem. So I will discuss about this. So first one, your technical ability and reasoning ability. So this is I will say easy to moderate. Okay, so I will say easy to moderate. Okay, and then your pseudocode, again pseudocode was very easy. Okay, pseudocode was very easy. Okay, so again we will be uploading the video. Puzzles was little tricky as always, and then we had verbal ability. So verbal ability, I would say that it was moderate. Okay, so friends, this is how was your analysis, and I know you would have done your examination very well. We have done multiple videos of this kind, so I know whoever has followed online study for you, they're definitely going to give the result. So friends, till then, thank you, all the best, take care, we will meet in the next video.